Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to teach you and show you how you can uh, write your first code in HTML. Okay, so before that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a folder. Okay, so right click on your mouse and then go to new and create a new folder like HTML. Okay, so then we will access this folder. And now what I am going to do, I am going to make a file. Okay, so how can I make a file? Just right click on your mouse and go to new, and then you can see there is text document. Okay, so now I am select this, um, and I'm giving this file name like test. Okay, so you can see there is no this is just a text file. Okay, this is not HTML file. If you want to learn if you want to run our code in browser, before that we have to make the file as HTML. Okay, so you can see this is not HTML file, because and we cannot run this file in our browser. So what we have to do, if you see there is text is a file name. Okay, and then dot, there is a dot, and you can see if I rename, you can see there after dot there is txt. That means this is type of txt, text. Okay, this file name is text, and file type is .txt, text. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to give this name like HTML. So this is mandatory. Then hit your press your enter button, then it will give a pop-up, and click on yes button. So you can see there now this is a HTML file. Okay, and you can see there is a icon, there is a icon. Okay, the browser icon. So we can change our browser icon, by settings. So what we'll do, we'll go first control panel. Okay, so control panel, no, will not go control panel. First we'll click on uh, menu icon. Okay, then go to settings. Okay, so and click on apps, under default apps menu. You can, if you scroll down, then you can see there is a web browser option. Okay, if you are using Windows 10, then you can see uh, this layout, and under default apps you can see web browser. From web browser, there is default browser is Firefox. uh, if someone like want to change this icon, just click on browser and choose Chrome. That's it. Now when you go again in your files, you can see it's already changed. So through settings you can choose whenever you want. If you want to use Internet Explorer, you can choose it. Microsoft Edge, you can choose it, Microsoft Edge. Okay, anyone you can choose as a default browser. So one thing, before I'm going to start our code, there is this is so important. You know, if I make a text file once again, I'm just giving it a another name. Okay, like leave.text. Okay, so you can see there is in between two files, we can see there is two extension. One is dot text and one is HTML. Okay, so if you when you make a you make a file, uh, sometimes you cannot see this text, this extension. Okay, so what we'll do, uh, for to check this, first we have to go to uh, control panel. Okay, control panel, then search for, in the search bar we'll search for files, then we'll see so many files and other things. So where we'll go, we'll go file explorer options. Okay, so then it will give you a pop-up, and now what in the file explorer option, just click on view. Okay, and scroll down, and you can then you can see hide extension for known file types. Okay, this is now unchecked. That means uh, it is unchecked, means this file is not hide. Okay, if I checked this option and click on apply, you can see uh, now there is no extension, file extension. Okay, all is removed. So sometimes if someone find or see there is no extension is coming when you make a file, so you have to go to control panel, then search for file and click on file explorer option and go to view. Then under view, just scroll down and look search for hide extension for known file types. Then what you'll do, you just unchecked it. Okay, you have to just uncheck it, this option unchecked, and just and apply. After apply and okay, sometimes it will not come. So what you will do next, you will go again and then view, and just uncheck the option again and apply. Now you can see there is file extension has come. Okay, so then if you see the extension has already come, then click on OK button and close your control panel. That's it, nothing has to do. This is just a checking moment before doing anything. So now what we'll do, first we will run our code. We'll write something. Okay, now this file is blank, so what we'll do, we'll click on this file and go open with notepad. Okay, so in notepad what we'll do, we'll just write anything. See, anything, just like this is our first code, HTML code. Then under file you can save it, or control S, whatever you do. And now what we'll do, we will just click on this file again and go for open with again, and there is you can see there is so many options, so many browsers. So if I want to open this file under Firefox, I can run this, just run, and you can see the what I have written in this file, in my file. I can see yes, I have written, this is our first HTML code, and now we can see this is our first HTML code. And if I copy and paste it again paste it, under under one sentence, then we can see what will happen. Okay, so if I save it, control S, just control S for saving this file. And so you have to save the file first. Okay, before so then refresh the browser. You can see exactly what I have written in this file. Everything is coming in browser. So this is the basic start. This is the basic start. So in the next tutorial, I will show you how many editors are there, so that will not use notepad. Okay, this is not professional editor, this is just a computer default editor, but we can use it for as a beginner. If I don't have internet, or if I don't so if I don't have internet, I cannot download any editors. So so that's why you can start your first code in notepad, but in professionally text editor, uh, which is professional for writing codes. So in the next class I'll show you where and which is the name of text editor, and I will write the code in your editor. Okay, thank you so much.